And I assume you probably like been using a lot of AI tools to do like a content and like SEO and such. What are some of the new trends or tools or tactics you've been using?
Yeah, so when I when I was at Bolt, it was great. So it built a content team of five, I think. And then, we were churning out so much awesome content, case studies, SEO work, newsletters, anything we needed. Great rhythm. 2021, everything's riding high, as y'all remember. Then 2022, unfortunately, we had some rifts. So our team got cut. It was me and one other person, and we still had to hit all of these content production goals in order to hit our other goals. This is also right after, a couple months after OpenAI released ChatGPT, and we just started using it, for me, out of interest, but also desperation. Like I needed more capacity. We didn't have more budget. So it wasn't perfect, but was able to start using that, start using things like Jasper and Writer initially to spin up content programs at Bolt, where we were able to produce about 80% of what we were using, or what we were producing before, with like much reduced capacity and much less cost. And the quality was still good because we moved from, I mean, at that point, I was more of an editor and managing editor versus like actual content creator. But we were moving from content creators towards editors. How can we add value, our unique data, our unique selling proposition, our unique value to the first round content that we're doing? So, right, what's cool too, and so I did this at Bolt. We've done this here at Pi Insurance. And what's really interesting is that all this stuff is changing so fast. So you used to have to either use Jasper or Writer, then put it, map it to your SEM key rush terms. And now SEMrush has it built into their platform. So we're able to use that for our first drafts a lot. For video editing, Descript, it's great. We're using Midjourney for image creation. A lot of things have changed really quickly. And tying it back to my Bolt story, it's now changed how I think about how you actually build content teams. Um, Before, a key bottleneck was always capacity on there, and also video and visual content capacity. It was just hard to scale, and it was always going to be expensive. And now I think you can have a team of, let's call it like four, that is delivering super high quality video, visual, text content at the caliber of maybe like HubSpot level style stuff and volume, with a small team of four right now. And so that's super exciting to me. But I still mostly use ChatGPT, Midjourney. I play around with a lot of things, but those are the ones that are mostly in my day-to-day flow.
Hot take on Jasper versus Writer versus other AI writing tools. Versus I think like recently, like folks say like Air Ops was another one. Yeah, like hot takes on AI SEO tools.
I don't think any standalone tool is really going to make it. So we were using one tool for it, which I won't name, but then because we no longer use them, and
Right,
because
right.
it was just built into SEMrush. And so that's already where we're going to be doing our keyword research, and they've brilliantly incorporated their AI tools to like mind mapping, and then it's like a very natural conversion to say, this is your keyword list, click a button, here's that first draft for you on there. So I think the standalone, particularly text-based ones, are going to be in a lot of trouble. The tools that already have established workflows are probably going to win. So something like Canva, right? Canva is amazing for visual, and they've also just seamlessly incorporated a lot of the AI tools across both the visual, video, and text stuff there. So I think yeah, I don't think those ones are going to last a long time, to be honest with you.
So no, none of them, right? So that's
I didn't, I don't think,
why.
but
Or maybe all if they can break through the workflow potentially.